Hello, I'm Haylene and I'm a model. Going through shoots one after another under the sun and all those strong lights is bound to result in dark spots induced by all the UV rays. That's why brightening skincare is the most important thing for me. Try using Laneige Radian-C lineup to avoid UV-induced aging, dark spots, and skin damage. I make sure to use Radian-C Advanced Effector at the first step of my skincare routine. This product clears and brightens up my skin with its super berry complex, which is 4 times more antioxidant than vitamin C. In the morning, dampen the side that has the vertical pattern with the formula and gently wipe the face from the center area outwards. This will exfoliate and smooth the skin texture, and you'll be able to see a brighter skin tone. At night, soak the flat side of the cotton pads in the formula and gently dab along your skin texture to help the formula permeate into the skin. Then, gently cover your face with your palms and let the brightening and anti-wrinkle formula remaining on the skin seep in. Try this and see what happens. You'll be able to experience a wonderful level of skin improvement in 4 weeks. Second, Radian-C Double Active Brightening Essence is a firming and brightening solution which will also give your skin a healthy gloss. The orange-colored vitamin essence on the top has an antioxidation and skin brightening effect, while the clear collagen essence on the bottom helps to improve skin elasticity. When you use it for the first time, grab the middle part of the product with one hand while the other is holding the bottom part. Twist, then lightly shake, and you'll get a soft mix of the vitamin essence and the collagen essence. Apply this on the entire face morning and night to enjoy a simultaneous firming and brightening effects. Press down for 1 second with your thumb from the front of your eyebrows to the top of your ears, and then your index finger from the front of your eyes to the middle of your chin. It's simple, but it can help with making your skin clear, so make sure to try it. Radian-C Sun Cream features a powerful shielding effect that protects skin against sunlight and other environmental factors. It also has a lightweight texture, which makes it a great choice for everyday use. Your skin will become healthier each time you use it because it contains added skincare benefits, such as brightening and skin barrier strengthening. Apply this on the entire face, then layer once more on the areas that are most exposed to sunlight, such as your T-zone or cheekbones. The formula feels so soft and refreshing that I don't feel any stickiness left on my skin. Use these 3 products to brighten your skin every day.